Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about some more primitives. In the last video we had discussed about some basic commands of Logo. In this video we are going to learn some more commands in Logo. So let us start with ht command. So why ht command is used? ht command or ht stands for hide turtle. Hide turtle, how it helps you? When you are using this primitive, it hides the turtle from the screen. So it helps us to view a clear drawing on the screen. So this turtle will not be visible on the screen. So you can see a clear view of the drawing. Let us see this with the help of an example. For that, first I am taking fd command. Why we are using fd command? For forward. fd 100. So what it will do? It will move the turtle 100 steps ahead. Then I am taking RT90. What it will do? It will turn the turtle 90 degrees, forming a right angle. Okay, you can see here. Now we will use FD50 again for forward. Forward 50 steps. Now RT90 again it will turn the turtle to 90 degree. For that I am going to use RT90. Now you can see how the turtle is turning. Okay, now use FD50 again to take the turtle 50 steps ahead. Okay, now we will use HT command. HT5 we are using to hide the turtle from the screen. Now you see here the turtle is not visible. So what will happen? We can see the drawing clearly. So let us form a square here. For that what again I will write? I will write RT90. Okay. Now FD50 to move the turtle 50 steps ahead. So you can view the drawings clearly on the screen. So this is what the use of your HT or hide turtle. Now once we are hiding the turtle, whether you can bring it to the screen back or not. Yes, we can do it with the help of the ST primitive. ST. It stands for show turtle. So first I will write ST, then I will press enter. So you can see the turtle here. Again we got the turtle. Okay. Now let me teach you one more primitive, that is clear screen or CS primitive. CS, it is used to clear the screen, so that what will happen, it will clear the complete picture drawn on the main screen. So it is going to clear the complete picture which you have drawn on the main screen. This is your Windows main screen. Okay, so let us see what happens when I am typing CS command. CS stands for clear screen. So press enter. So there is no drawing on the main screen. Why? We used the CS command. Now let me move to the next command, that is city. Why we need city command? City command stands for clear text. The full form is clear text. It is used to clear the text present in the recall list box and the command input box. So for that, what we will type? We will type CT and press enter. So you see there is no command now in the command input box. So if you want to use more than one primitive at a time, what we have to do? We have to leave a space between them. Okay. So if we are using CS and city command both, one more command is there, CS city. Okay, clear screen and clear text. If you are using both the commands at a time, what will happen? It will clear the main screen as well as commander window at a time, and it will bring the turtle to its home position. Now we will learn about one more command, that is pen command. So why pen command is used? Okay, so when you are using the pen command, a turtle had a hidden pen that enables it to draw while moving. Okay, if you want to draw some lines like horizontal line, two horizontal line you want to draw. So for that in Logo you have pen commands. So what it does, a turtle has a hidden pen that enables it to draw while moving. Okay, so there are Again, this pen command is of two types, pen up and pen down. So pen up command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from the screen and move without drawing a line on the screen. So the turtle will move up, but there will be no line on the screen. And the shortcut of pen command is pen up command is PU. Pen up PU. So let me show you one example so that you can know how to use pen up command. FD 50. First, it will take the turtle 50 steps ahead. Now you use PU. See here. Next use FD 20. So now you see this line is not joined to it. Okay, this command orders the turtle to lift up the pen from here. The pen is lifted up and it went 20 steps ahead or 20 steps forward. Okay, so this is the use of pen up command or PU command. Now we will go to the next command, that is pen down command. So the pen down command shortcut is PD. So why we are using this command? This command instructs the turtle to put the pen down on the screen and continue drawing. So first one, lift up the pen, and the second one, put the pen down on the screen, that is PD command, and it's continue to draw. Let us do it using the PD command. So for that, first I am going to clear these commands. So how I will clear these commands? CT, clear text. So all the commands got erased. So it will be more easy for you to learn. That's why I erased all the commands from the screen. So what you will do is FD40. First you type FD40. So what will happen? It will take the turtle 40 steps ahead. Then you use PU, pen up command. Now you use RT90. So you can see here the turtle moves towards the right, forming a 90-degree angle. Now we will go for next command FD20, which will move the turtle 20 steps ahead. Okay. Now again we will go for RT. Don't be confused with this lowercase or uppercase because this language is not case sensitive. RT90. Again you can see here it's 90 degrees. Now we will use PD. Here the pen down command starts working. PD, enter. Then you write FD40. So this is the way we can draw the lines, okay, using the pen up or pen down commands. Okay, now we will go to the last one, that is pen erase command. So why this command is used and what is the shortcut of this command? Pen erase command is used to erase a line while moving the turtle. So once the PE command is given, the FD or BK command will erase the lines in that direction. So to start drawing again, you have to give the PD command. Okay, now we will use what is the how we can use the pen erase command in Logo. For that, let me write few lines of code. Here again I am going to clear the command. For that, what I will do, I will type here simply CT to clear the text. So all the commands got deleted. Now FD40, it will take the total 40 steps ahead. Next PE, it will activate the eraser. When you are using the PE command, it will activate the eraser. Now what I am using, BK40. So what it will do, it will erase the line that you have drawn in the backward direction. You could see here this one went back, means it erased. Okay, so this is the use of pen erase command. Okay children, so this is all about the video using primitives. Thank you.